Sunny from Just Tutors, and in this video we are going to learn about fractions. So these are the subtopics for this lesson. We will discuss about half, quarter, whole, half and quarter. Before starting the lesson, let's have some warm-up questions. You can pause the video to try them out, and once you are done, please resume the video to check your answers. Now you can check your answers. Pat your back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got all correct. Let's move ahead. Let's talk about half first. If we divide any shape or any object into two equal parts, so each of the part is the half of that object. Here we have an example. We have divided this pizza into two equal halves by this line. So that's first half and that is a second half. Let's try to cut these shapes into two equal halves. So let me do the first part for you. We can divide this shape into two equal halves by drawing a line like this. I want you to try the rest parts. So that's how we can divide these shapes into two equal halves. Now let's learn a quarter. If we divide any shape or any object into four equal parts, one part will be a quarter. So a quarter can be defined as one part out of four parts. Here we have an example. In this chocolate bar we have 28 small pieces, which means the 7 small pieces forms one quarter of this whole bar. We can make 7 groups of 4s over here. That means we have 7 as a quarter of 28 small pieces. This time let's take an example of money. We have 80 pounds, and if we want to divide 80 pounds into four equal parts, that will be 20 pounds in each part, which means a quarter of 80 pounds is 20 pounds, and that's a bar model. We can use this model to divide any object or any number into four parts. Now let's talk about whole, half and quarter. If we have whole, that means the object as a whole or in full. Now this is a whole. What is half? Half means when an object is divided into two equal halves. If we draw a line like this, if we divide this shape into two equal halves, which means we have one part as a half. So that is a half. If we divide the same object in four equal parts, like this, so one part will be a quarter. Here we have a bar of 24 small pieces. If I ate 24 small pieces, which means I will eat the whole bar. If I ate 12 small pieces, which means I will eat half of the bar, and the quarter of this bar would be 6 small pieces. So that's how we can connect fractions with chocolate bar as well. Alright, so it's a practice time. You can pause the video to try this question, and once you are done, you can resume it to check your answer. Let's check the answers. We have total 20 gold coins over here. Half of them would be 10 and half of 10, which means the quarter of 20 will be 5 coins. Pat your back for your good efforts and congratulations if you have got all correct. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.